Hey, hey! I'm endorsing a new cola, kids. And this one isn't poisonous to anybody.
That we know of.
New and improved Buzz Cola is made from only the finest sugars and waters. Plus, it has a special ingredient, too hot for the FDA. It'll give you the get up and go you need to do all the pathetic stuff you have to do. Try new improved Buzz Cola.
Cola. Must get Buzz Cola.
All right, player one. Homer. Use the control stick to move around. This is called walking. Press the A button to jump and hold down the X button to run. Anytime you're in the air, hit jump again to get a little extra push.
Homie, somebody ate every dessert in the house. I need you to run to the store and pick up some of that ice cream with the miniature pies in it.
Oh, must have been one of our kids. Probably Millhouse. Piece of cake. Cake.
Press the Y button to get into the car. And don't take all day. This is the tutorial. Okay, homeboy, here's how you drive this thing. Press the A button to accelerate and use the control stick to steer. The X button is your brake in reverse, and the B button is your handbrake. You know, just like every driving game ever. That's the stuff, psycho! And so it begins.
Ooh, brain like shiny thing.
Yeah, great. Those shiny things are called coins. Whenever you get enough of those, you can get a cool surprise.
This is the worst.
Way to ignore the speed limit!
You can go inside certain buildings by pressing the Y button. Why did I agree to do this stupid tutorial? It is so boring.
Eat my dust!
I have to go to the bathroom real bad.
Hey, Apu, give me a cola and I need another bucket of ice cream with mini pies.
What happened to the ice cream with mini pies your wife bought this morning?
I probably ate it. I don't remember stuff too good.
Congratulations, Homer. Mission complete. Go back home and talk to Mom to start the next mission.
Bouncy, bouncy!
Nobody knows why these things have turned up all over Springfield. They always seem to turn up whenever something exciting happens. I don't know what they are, but violence is always an appropriate response in the face of the unknown. There's some collector cards hidden all over Springfield. Find the other ones and sweet reward is yours for the taking. If you want to take a closer look at the cards, you can see them in the pause menu. And don't get your stinky fingers on them, fatty.
Whee!
Ouch! My bikini zone's chafing!
What's happening?
Oh, now I have a wedgie!
Homie, Lisa left for school without her science project. Can you get it to her?
Oh, do I have to?
You can drop it off on the way to work.
And I have to go to work? It's crashing time!
Way to go, Homer! You're the man! Collecting wrenches fixes your car.
Woohoo! All right! Stay on target! Stay on target! No! Get out of my way, jerk ass!
Thanks for bringing me my model of the digestive system. Hey, where's the gallbladder?
I got hungry and it was a fig.
It was modeling clay.
Oh.
By the way, Dad, Mom called. She says she needs to talk to you at home before you go to work.
No! King of the world!
Go to Shelbyville and steal me some math books. Shouldn't you be in class? Leave me alone. I'm calibrating the protractors. Please, I'm busy installing asbestos right now. Go to Shelbyville and steal me some math books. Shouldn't you be in class?
There are a bunch of these scattered in each level. Little surprises are hidden inside each one. Be sure to come back again to see if there's something you missed.
Remain calm, students. All is well in the school. My authority as principal is total.
Feel free to get a ride from anybody you see on the street. We Simpsons have done a lot for Springfield, so it's okay to get something back.
Homer, go talk to Ned Flanders. He seems miffed and PO'd.
Why me? I'm the world's greatest neighbor. I even have a mug to that effect.
I'm all in a dither, Homer. So many of my possessions.
Sweet! Out of my way, chump! Chest pain! Having chest pain!
Watch out!
What's next? Flanders cooler. I gave it to Barney.
Please stop doing that. I have very little dignity left.
You remember that cooler I gave you for your birthday? Well, Flanders wants it back.
Now what will I use for a toilet?
What the heck were you?
Almost done. Now I need Flanders' stupid picture of his stupid family. Okay, last one. Now where did I leave Rod's stupid inhaler? Duh, on top of the dump truck.
Look out!
Oh yeah, stretch the legs and the crotch. Now to return this stuff before the cops find me sitting around talking to myself. Sweet! Flanders, look! I found your missing stuff! Now, about the reward.
Thanks, neighbor Rooney. Here's your reward. A prayer from the Lord's #1 fan. Our Father in heaven, bless this noble oaf.
Stupid Flanders getting happiness from religion. Everyone sucks but me. When this is over, I'm hitting the sauce. Must never run again.
Homie, you're late for work. And today's your workplace evaluation with Mr. Smithers.
Ah! You'll find my scorpion farm. Then where will my scorpions live? Only one person can help me. Lenny. Can you come and get me? I'll pay you in back rubs. Vengeance will be mine.
Hey, Homer, how about a breakfast churro?
No time. Tell me where to find Mr. Smithers.
Yeah, I think I saw him at the Quickie Mart. More breakfast churros for Lenny.
I'm gonna need a car with a little more junk in the trunk if I'm gonna take him out. I wonder if Barney still has the Plow King. Wow, I need a disco nap. Barney, can I borrow the Plow King?
Take what you want, sexy leprechaun. Just don't shoot me with that dart gun. Oh!
Whatever. Let's do this!
If you ever feel like getting a new set of wheels and you're not picky, just talk to old Gil. He's always got a couple crap boxes to sell.
Let's roll!
I'm scared.
Mistakes were made. Nothing lasts forever. I'm a lean, mean speed thingy. Ow! My neck! Go!
This is a...
My convertible. I just waxed and undercoated.
That's what you get for expecting me to do the job for which I am paid. Let's see you do better. Go! Watch it, buddy. Walk? That wasn't part of the deal. How can I sleep with that camera? Oh, sexy girls could be watching me on the internet. Stupid cameras, you should be smashed. I'll destroy you at your power source. Piece of cake. Cake. Marge will clean this mess up later. Dinghy goes up. If you're so smart, how come I broke you? It's not like anyone likes these things. Ha ha! Stupid like a fox! What's this do? Woo! I love senselessly pushing things! Marge will clean this mess up later. If you're so smart, how come I broke you? Oh, I hope do not press means press right away. It's not like anyone likes these things. Ha ha! Stupid like a fox! Marge will clean this mess up later. Finally, I can get some sleep.
Mindless drones, return to your ugly families.
Ow!
In your face! Ouch! My bikini zone's chafing! Can you come and get me? I'll pay you in back rubs. USA! USA! Learn to drive, you dumbass. I wish I had a dog with a saddle.
Ow, my metal skull!
Leaving the famous bearded cartoon creator incarcerated in a Peruvian jail. In other news, local citizens are outraged over the discovery of surveillance cameras throughout the town. We go now to City Hall, where Mayor Quimby is fielding questions from an angry mob.
These miniature cameras are an outrage. Spying on our women's dressing rooms, bathrooms, and locker rooms is unforgivable. I think I speak for all Springfielders when I say, where is the sexy footage?
In other unexplained news, strange black vans have been appearing all over town.
Marge, that black van is spying on us.
Oh, homie, you're so sexy when you're paranoid.